be a kick a rocket block. I almost said be a rocket block, bros. Just today, bro. We're playing kick a rocket block on my PC, bro. On my PC, because my phone is charging right now, so I have to be careful. If that explode, I don't know what to do, bro. But hey, excellent, bros. Shall I leave or shall I leave? Yeah. No, I'm not leaving. Bro, I don't need it. I got 4 strawberry elephants. Nice, bros. Look. 1, 2, 3 strawberry elephants. And 3 meow with a mutation. And 3 wide chili with a mute. And wait. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2. We got 2. We got two wides of what the I can spell that chili, bro. Also, we got this, bro. Why? May do one last kicks. Wait. Let me shift. Not right now, dude. Right now. I heard of you guys say this. Wait, why my mouse is not working, bro? Bro, this mouse is crazy. Should I buy this? Right now I got 0 Robux. Look, I got 0 Robux right now. But I don't have enough of Robux yet. And look at this. Why? I don't have burnout. Whoever wants to trade, just subscribe and comment down below your username, because I'm going to wait. Excellent. You know what? Wait. You know what?